go to this channel. Sean, Falluin, Regenerative Farming Ireland. He's a young family man. He doesn't have the resources of Ken Berry, but it shows you another landscape, another way of farming, and it introduces you to the delights of the Irish English and the delights of the Irish way of farming. And this young man is taking on the entire European Union anti-meat agenda and the Irish government, so he needs your support. So go to his channel, Sean Falluin, Regenerative Farming Ireland, and subscribe to him and go on a delightful journey through the seasons with the most gorgeous cows and a whole different way of farming, the Irish way. So there you go. That's my recommendation. And